Okay, now we are on to the most important topic of polynomials. This is the class 2 and the final class of polynomials. But this class will give you exposure to a variety of questions that can come in. I strongly recommend that you solve the worksheet that I give to you. Okay, so now let's look at it. In the previous class, we studied that a polynomial, the general form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, and in terms of roots, we write it as x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Now let us establish a relationship between the roots and the coefficients. Which are the coefficients? Correct. A, B, C. And which are the roots? Obviously alpha and beta. So if we divide the first equation by A, what do we get? We get the coefficient of x square as 1 in both the cases. So here we draw a relationship. We say alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. And alpha plus beta को हम और क्या बोलते हैं? We call it as sum of zeros. Similarly, alpha beta, that means alpha into beta is equals to c upon a. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Product of zeros. Okay, this relationship is very important. You should memorize it, you should remember it, because this is what we are going to use. Is that okay? Now, suppose, how do we use it? Let's take a question. Okay, suppose the question is, we are given a polynomial fx is equals to 5x square minus 7x plus 1, and they say find, what are they asking us to find? Find the value of one upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Is that okay? Where alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial. Now let us see what do we do. We will say 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. That means LCM beta plus alpha upon alpha. Now what is beta plus alpha? That means sum of zeros. What is sum of zeros? We just learned minus b upon a. And what is alpha beta? That is c upon a. So upon a gets cancelled. What is the final result? Minus b upon c. Now can you look at the quadratic polynomial and tell me the values of b and c? What is b? B is minus 7. So minus of minus 7 upon c. How much is c? 1. So your answer is 7. I hope this was not difficult. This is exactly what you need to do when such questions are asked. Okay? Now, moving on to different varieties of questions, you will get a lot of questions based on this variety. Let us take one more example. Okay, let's suppose the question says alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Now they have given us the polynomial as 2x square plus 7x plus 5, and they say find the value of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Okay, so now what do we do here is again same thing that we did. Okay, so we have to find the value of this. So alpha plus beta, put it into one bracket, plus alpha beta, another bracket. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b upon a. And what is this? C upon a. That means minus b plus c upon a. Let's put the values. How much is b? 7, so minus 7 plus c, that is 5 upon a, that is 2, that gives me minus 2 upon 2, or the answer is minus 1. I hope this makes it clear. Now, moving on to a different variety. Sometimes the questions are like this. If 1 0 of the polynomial now what is the polynomial? X square minus 4x plus 1 is 2 plus root 3. Write the other 0. Write the other 0. Question is simple. Okay, before I start, what do you think we should do? Well, the method is very simple. They have given us 1 0 and they have given us the polynomial, so we can easily find the other 0. Okay, we just need to use the relationships that we learned. We can use either of the two relationships. Let's say we use alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. We don't know what is alpha and beta, but we know what is alpha and we don't know what is beta. So let's put alpha as 2 plus root 3 plus beta at beta and b. How much is b? b is minus 4, so minus of minus 4 upon 1. Okay, so 2 plus root 3 plus b is equals to 4. b is equals to 4 minus 2 minus root 3. That is 2 minus root 3. So we have beta here. Okay, you can pause the video, replay it whenever you like. Let's go for another variety of question. Suppose the question says if 3 is a 0 of the polynomial what is the polynomial given to us? 2x square plus x plus k. Find value of k. So they say find the value of k. Simple. Whenever such a question is given to you, इसमें they have given to us if 3 is a 0 of the polynomial, वो 3 को ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे, x minus 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. Either ways, we will say x is equals to 3. Now in the polynomial 2x square plus x plus k, put x equals to 3. So we will say 2 into 3 square plus 3 plus k equal to 0. Now we will solve it. 3 ka square 9, 2 into 9 18 plus 3 plus k equals to 0. K is equals to minus 21. That is the answer. Okay. So this concludes us with the quadratic polynomials. These are the type of questions that you will get in quadratic polynomials. We are only left with cubic polynomials, which we will start in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.